Hello everyone, myself Sarabjit and welcome to all at our Ayurvedic Center and Dr. Atiya's clinic. Today we will discuss about hepatitis treatment, causes and symptoms with our Ayurvedic specialist Dr. Atiya's Jamba. So please ma'am, kindly tell something about hepatitis treatment.
Hello friends, myself Dr. Atya. Today we will discuss about hepatitis B and C. Hepatitis is like a virus and this virus causes swelling in our liver. And nowadays, today 1 crore people was suffering from hepatitis disease. So many types of problems are causes, and how we control the hepatitis and how we cure the hepatitis in Ayurveda way. Firstly, I will tell you about hepatitis B and C virus is come from where. This virus come from blood to blood transfer in our body, not to share foods, not to sleep together and not to share clothes. If any patient is suffering from hepatitis virus, and same used injection needle is used to another patient, in that case person is also suffered from hepatitis virus. If we talk about a hepatitis, it is a different types like A, B, C, D and E. But we will discuss about hepatitis B and C. There is also another way where hepatitis will be spread like physical relation, blood transfusion, mother to baby. If mother is suffering from hepatitis virus, if she gave feed to her baby, then baby also suffered from same virus, because in the mother milk there are some liquid glands which is in the form of hepatitis. So our second question is hepatitis virus, how they take time to build in our body. Basically symptoms of hepatitis will show their results after 6 months, and the symptoms of hepatitis are fever, back pain, tiredness, and other symptoms are eyes become yellow and urine also come yellow, and some patient think that they are suffering from jaundice. But if we can't take care of this disease properly, then this disease is converted into chronic hepatitis. If this chronic hepatitis become complicated and it is very harmful for our liver, and after that liver could be liver cirrhosis, liver cancer, etc. If we control hepatitis disease on time, that person live her life very happily, because in our body liver is very important function which control our digestive function. If our digestive system is not work properly, so in this case life of patient is in danger. In Ayurveda, this type of thing is not there. If you proper take care on that thing, then all things are possible. As I already told you earlier, that 6 to 7 crore people are suffering from chronic hepatitis disease. If we control this disease on time, it's really helpful for us. Now we will discuss hepatitis treatment. How possible in Ayurveda? There are so many patients come over there and taken our treatment, and after few months they get good results. Reason because of we control the virus and we treat them in a proper way. We pick that thing which separate the virus. In allopathic way, doctors prescribe you the supportive therapy. But according to Ayurveda treatment, first we do diagnose, and after we find out the end of the disease from which it's separate. Basically our body structure is made of 7 dhatus, and first dhatu is create them food and other 7 dhatus dependent on that. If our immunity system will low in our body, then it creates lots of diseases like cancer, hepatitis, liver problem and other different diseases like AIDS and HIV. Now I will tell you how we take care of the patient to increase the immunity system of the patient. If any harmful cells like hepatitis B virus enter in the body, then our body cells like white blood cells fight properly. But in case low immunity, then our body cells fights not properly and it destroyed then our body cells and never increased, and in this type of diseases like hepatitis, HIV built in our body. So our second treatment is we will give them destructive drugs modulated in the form of medicines to remove the virus. But some viruses are never removed. In that case we suppress the virus, because if we suppress the virus, it never spread again and not create difficulty. And one more thing, all the diseases have their own treatment. If we deal them properly, we control that on proper time, the treatment of the disease is better. But here we study on different diseases since last from 20 years. Our experts and R&D team provide us medicines which is made by proper attention and proper cleanliness. So rest of this, we also deal the color Ayurveda therapy. There are different types of colors in our body and all colors are their own importance. When there is lackness of color in our body and our body becomes dull, when our body is fine, then our health becomes fit and healthy. So our next video will tell you the importance of color and link of color with our body. So if there is any patient who is suffering from hepatitis, so contact at this number 92165444447. Thank you.